Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a should I say a review, unboxing, showing you the Xiaomi desktop, the curved desktop 34 inches. Before now, I've been contemplating on what kind of desktop to use. I have this iSense 55 inches TV that I use at home, so I've been using it and I kind of like enjoy the big screen. And but I was still not comfortable because I had to go sit in the parlor most of the time to be able to like use that desktop or that TV. So I was also contemplating whether to buy another TV screen, especially for my workspace, or whether to buy a desktop. So I finally came to the conclusion of getting a desktop when I saw these particular products at where I normally get my laptops and all that. And I kind of like liked it, so I said let me give it a shot. And here we are. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this product for you to see what the product looks like, if it's something you would like yourself, and let's dive right in. So this is a Xiaomi product, and then it's a curved gaming monitor. So now let's go see what's inside. Let's see what it looks like. So first of all, this is a gaming desktop, and it's 34 inches, and it has this 192 Hz refresh rate, and the curvature is 1500, and this is the size in I don't know. Okay, so these are just some write-up about this is the model of the desktop, and this is the logo of the brand. So now I'm going to open this up for us to see what this looks like. So this is the desktop. It's a little bit heavy for me to bring out myself. This is the screen itself. So are you guys ready to see it? Okay, I guess this base. Alright, so let me open it. Are you seeing how curved it is? Okay, so this is going to be somewhere here. There's a stand which I'm going to get. This one has almost occupied my foot table. Just have little space left. So I guess this is like perfect size for my table. So you can turn this thing upside down. So basically, there are some other things here. So this is how it comes. The Xiaomi, what's it called? Curved desktop. So it comes packaged like this. So this side you have the desktop screen itself, and this other side we have I think the base. Is it the base or what? Yeah, I'll take a look at it very well. So yeah, let me take this aside for now. So yeah, so this is the charger. It's a very small charger. And then this is what is like HDMI, if I'm not mistaken. It's not so one thing that looks like HDMI. So yeah, this is HDMI. Yeah. So this is HDMI. This is HDMI to HDMI. This is not HDMI. The other one is the HDMI ports. Alright. Then this is the stand. So I need to let that manual set. I check the manual again and see how it's there. So this is like stand, and this is the base. So I'm going to clip it now. So if you look at it very well, you see that there's something there, and then you put it inside this middle hole. So once that is done, the next thing I want to do is to screw. So next thing I want to do is to screw this section. Maybe you can see that there are some screwing that needs to be done here. Okay, so we are done scrolling. Alright, so once you have fixed this stand, basically this stand is supposed to like clip to this other section. So we're going to do that when we are done checking this out. So initially I didn't know that the power cable and some other ports are inside there. So now what you do is you can easily just do like this and remove this cover. So this is just like, I think it's kind of like well managing the cables and all of that. So these are different ports that we have. This HDMI, we have two HDMI ports. There is DP1, DP2, and DJ in. So I'm not sure what that is at the moment. So, but the one I'm concerned about is the HDMI and the power cable. I guess this DJ should no. Okay, this should be the power cable and the power port. So this is what we're going to like. No, that's not it. Okay, so this DJ in is where we plug in the power. So we have plugged it in, and as you can see, this has an RGB light. So the light changes, and then so now since this is done, I can cover this back. I hope it can still cover well. Okay, cover has to be yeah. So how do I cover this now? Okay. So now the wire will just be coming out from here, and then we'll cover this up. Okay, I think it's fine now. So the next thing we want to do now is to. Is this upside down?
Yes.
I have that energy. Okay. I'll do this carefully. So the base will be here, and then I think I'll be needing some support to be able to do this. Please, you can help me. I think let's do that so that the camera can see it properly. So the next thing I want to do now is to come this way. So basically, it's pressing. There's a clip down there that is pressing it forward, like upward, and then these other ones, these two. How did you do it just now? Has it entered?
Yes.
So basically, if you want to bring it up, you just move it up like this, and then if you want to bring it down, maybe you need it low. You bring it like this, and I think there's also a way of like turning it. I need to figure that one out.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, this stuff here. So if you want to bend it this way, you can do that, and then if you want to bend it this way, you can also do that. And then let me see if yeah, the one is up, and you can also do it like this, and then do it like this if you want. So the base and the stand is kind of flexible for you to do it whatever direction you want, anyhow you want it. So now I think the next thing we want to do now is to really see how this thing looks like. So now that we are done setting the desktop up and we have our stand and everything all set up, So the next thing we want to do now is to put on the desktop and then connect our device to it. So now once we do that, we'll be able to see or check out some of the features of this or that came with this particular desktop. So now let's get into that. Desktop. So to do that, this particular um, model came with just this button here. So with this button you can pretty much regulate the desktop, like do anything you want to do to power it on, to change settings and all of that. To do that with this. So I'm going to press this now to on it. This is on right now. And as you can see, I have like I splitted my screen. So this is just my desktop. So this is MacBook. So I splitted my screen and then I'm watching a movie somewhere, and then I have my code somewhere. So I can play this movie. You can see the movie playing. Why? If you're a programmer, you can be coding on the side, be doing your own thing and all of that. So now let's take a look at some of the settings. So if you click here, you press the right arrow key to select the menu options. So we have different settings, game mode, the advanced, window settings, menu settings. All the settings, you just play around with them and see the one that works best for you. So let me come back to the advanced and then let me go to window settings. So basically, on this section we have single window, split screen, picture in picture. So that means you can have a screen and then there's another small screen on the side, like just on top, like more like a floating screen on top. So you can connect more than one HDMI screen or let's say laptop or something like that to this particular desktop. Then we have this audio source. So let's see, I've not played with this yet. So if I click on window one, okay, where is my audio going to be coming from? So this is window one. So that's it. Let me go over to my system settings. I'm not sure yet why the sound is not coming out, but let me see. Except it's something we probably have to figure out later. So but first, let me just try that. So for the sound, I've currently selected the M1 monitor, which is this screen, and the audio is not coming out. So I notice when I select my own audio, it does come out, but when I select the monitor, I'm not sure why the audio is not coming out. Okay, so now let's look at the other settings right there. So the audio currently is at 68, but I'm not sure why it's not coming out. Then the back strip lighting is the lights at the back. So this is like the RGB lights over here. So you can change the color, you can select any color of your choice. The color can blink and breathe or whatever they call it. That's pretty much it. So all you need to do is to try this out for yourself if this looks like something you would need. So just try it out. The game mode, mind you, this desktop is designed, it's a gamified desktop, so it's designed for gamers as well. So there's the game mode, that means you can switch it on and off. By default, it usually comes off, so you can change the settings and make it on it, switch it on, so that I think that kind of like improve on the quality of the display somehow. So you just play around with it and see what works for you. So I think I'll be ending the video here. So yeah, guys, I believe you have enjoyed this video and then you have learned one or two things on how to set up your my M1 or Xiaomi curved screen display, and you have also seen some of the features that came with the desktop, the refresh rates, and then the different the gamified features that are available there. You can pretty much play your games very well and without any kind of lag, and everything still goes smoothly. And you can split your screen, share your screen, do whatever you want to do with the desktop. I believe you enjoy it, so to speak. So if you have any other question regarding these products or anything concerning this desktop, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And if you have not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that and I will see you next time.